Hello everybody, how are you? Today is Tuesday, March 31st, and we are going to do some more spring planting here in the Perkins household. So let's go and look what we've done already. Come on out here. So, all right. So these are the beds we'll be planting some of our seedlings in. If we look over here, we have broccoli right here that's sprouting. We have beets. None of the beets have come up yet. We have some more beets. We have some basil, more basil. Lettuce is over here. Some sunflowers are coming up. Lettuce is coming up. More lettuce. We got some sunflowers over here sprouting. We planted those about maybe 5 or 6 days ago. Okay, for those of you that are in environmental science, you probably remember these basil plants. They're not looking so good right now, but those are the plants that we made pesto out of, the yummy pesto that we ate in class. So it's been a little bit cold out here, so they're starting to die, and we're going to get rid of those soon to make space for some of the new plants, okay? So we'll be planting some over here in the flower bed as well once we get everything going, okay? All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head inside and we're gonna do some more planting and get these smaller seedling beds ready, okay? Okay, so here's the little pods we're gonna plant in. You can tell that the pods are dried out right now. Okay, so they're like maybe little brownies or something, but we're gonna get those filled with water and get them ready. So we're gonna continue to plant beets. So beets are yummy. And then we're gonna plant some more basil so we can make some more pesto. We're gonna plant, and Tatiana's favorite, broccoli, right?
I don't like broccoli.
All right, we're gonna make some lettuce. We're gonna plant some lettuce, and then we're also gonna plant some more sunflowers, okay? All right, so the first thing we have to do over here is get some warm water. Tatiana, can you turn the water on and get 10, let's say 11 cups of warm water in there, okay? 11 cups. So feel the water, make sure it's warm. Okay, so now we're going to take the water over to the soil pods and get to planting. Yeah. Did we spill already? We already spilled? That's not good, sweetie.
Okay, so now technically we're just putting all the water over these so the water gets sucked in. But
Okay.
I was putting it on the oh, there's one.
So the soil is absorbing all the water slowly but
And
surely.
you can see them getting a little bigger. Now they don't look like brownies.
No.
Is soil good for your digestive system? You're not supposed to eat it? Because it's made by you.
All right, so while we're waiting for the water to finish absorbing into the soil pods, we're going to label our little pods so we know what we planted where. So what are you labeling over there? You got sunflowers, and then what else?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Okay, so when we're planting, we're just going to use like a little toothpick, and we can just create like a little hole here. All right, and usually, so for these first 2 rows, we're going to plant beets. Okay, so this is what a beet seed looks like. Okay, so we're going to put. Whoa, I dropped it. Okay, that's all right. You got it. All right, so we're going to put 2 beet seeds in there. So 1 and then 2. All right, and then we're just gonna kind of push it in there a little bit and fluff the soil up around it. Okay. Right.
So now, wait, did I already do that one?
No. Yeah, that's the hardest thing is remembering which pod you planted. So
should I
those,
put sunflowers here?
those are beet seeds right there, huh?
put
Yep,
one
2 rows of sunflowers.
These are one, right? Because these are huge. These are huge.
So So these are the sunflower seeds right there. Some people like to eat those. They're pretty yummy. Okay.
Especially when they're salted.
Do you think if any animals come up on our stuff, they're going to eat the plants?
Maybe.
Mommy?
Yep. All right. So basil seeds are really small. They're little tiny little things. They're hard to keep track of when you're planting them. Right. All right. What are you planting over here, Antonio?
I'm planting basil.
Okay. So let's look at the lettuce seeds.
They're super tiny too.
All right. So lettuce seeds are
Oh,
pretty
gosh.
small as well.
But mine are smaller.
Here's what your broccoli seeds look like.
Okay, so as you can see, we have planted all 72 pods. We have sunflower, lettuce, broccoli, I don't know how to say that, basil, and beets.
Good.
In the next episode, you're going to see how we're going to see how long it takes for the plants to sprout and see if we can pick them.
Yeah. All right. Bye.